Mayong hapon sa Yukini. Hello everyone. I took I took an interview with GMA Regional TV Live. Split for viewers for a while. Mayong buntag. Hello, good morning. Good morning everyone. Jesper, Dev, Grant, Hart, Kimberly, and um, Lancelot. Good morning. This is dual live stream, YouTube and Facebook. How was GMA Regional TV Live? I was on TV just now in the Philippines. Finally. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Mayong buntag. Konnichiwa. They were very friendly, and actually, I was very nervous to take the interview. How was it? Of course, I'm in Osaka, Japan, so I couldn't watch the on air. Please comment. Please comment if you have any feedback about the interview on GMA Regional TV Live. Hello, hi, from Davao. Thank you. Hello. Hello, anyone. Oh, good morning. You nice, no nervous. Thank you. But they were very friendly and they talked to me before the interview to make me relaxed. Thank you. Did well. Salamat. They asked me a lot, and before the before the interview, um, producers and others talked to me and asked me a lot. Mm, I got a little, and the anchor, Mr. Nico Sereno, was very friendly and gentleman. It, it was like a dream. Yeah. Nancy Veldora. Yeah, Veldora. Sorry, I don't know. Ohio Dorin. Good morning. Good morning. From Boho, thank you. Sarah. Thank you. Hi, sir. Mayang Buntag. Good morning. Oh, and I was preparing with Bisaya. Oh, I I trained well. I trained well. Thanks to your teacher. And, hmm. But I still need to study Bisaya. I have to study Bisaya more. Hmm. Red, おはようございます from Save City. Thank you. あなたに会いたくて Thank you. Shut up, Yuki. Please. Hello, good morning. Nico is Tabian. But Tabian? What's Tabian? Oh, thank you. Lots of people, maybe I guess, lots of people from the TV show is watching here. Oh, ah, by the way, for viewers on YouTube, viewers on YouTube, my main account is on Facebook. Still, I'm publishing on things on both YouTube and Facebook, and but however, you can enjoy many things also on Facebook. Yeah. Tabian is talkative. Thank you. Okay. Uh, how can I pronounce your name? Hya Hyakun. Sorry, but thank you for your translation. Yeah, he's talkative. Good. Because I was very nervous. まあ、4分タグ、good. Tabian is おしゃべり. Thank you, Noel. Uh, Yuki ka nawon ni mo akong uncle. What do you mean? What do you mean? I should be your uncle? Maybe? I guess. Nagasa, Osaka, Japan. Doha, Japan. No, Toroka, Japan. Charot. Gapoha, oi. Salamat. Salamat. Because my parents did well to produce me so gently. Salamat. Um, and I didn't know actually the channel because I'm not in the Philippines and I'm not familiar with TV shows in the Philippines. So I was doubting actually the source things, but when the producer asked me or contacted me on Facebook. Coral. Mayon Buntaku Yuki from Cebu. Thank you. From YouTube. Thank you. G Future Casa GMA Sensei. Congrats. Yeah, I was on TV just now. I was on TV, Jan. Yes. Uh, and for Facebook followers, I also have YouTube channel, and I'm currently having a dual live stream right now. Mag live sa Facebook or sa YouTube, both dual live right now. So please subscribe. Palihog pag subscribe sa YouTube channel. Akong YouTube channel. Diyan, really すごい。いやいや thank you. Maojud. Good luck sa imong interview, Kuya Yuki. Thank you. How was it? Good morning. Good morning, Kevin. 元気ですか？Okay, Are you nervous? Yeah, Jackie. Yes, I was nervous on TV because it was the first time in the Philippines and I was very honored. Unsay tirada tira Yuki. Tirada? What was tirada? Unsay tirada. Unsay tirada. Yuki. Tirada. Work? Job? Maybe? I'm kind system engineer, software engineer, or web developer. Idol Yuki, congrats sa show Nemo. Love from your solid fan from Cagayan de Oro City. Keep it up, Idol. Thank you. Salamat. I'm very flattered and honored. Yeah, this is because you are supporting my channel and page, my SNS accounts. Salamat sa inyong suporta. Ayasa pa shout out Yuki-san. Thank you. Chada kayo imong interview. Really. Chada. Chada di ay. Oh. Mhm. I'm looking forward to the record one to watch it. Kagayan, someone, yeah, living in Mindanao, but you guys can still watch the TV show? How? How did you watch it? I think only Visayas can watch the TV program, maybe. How did you do that? Ah, ah, I missed the comment. Let me see. Tirada is what? Ah, I lost. Tirada means. I lost the comment, sorry. Tirada. Sorry. I because thanks to lots of comments here, I lost your translation. Sorry, sorry po. What's tirada? Hai Kuya Yuki, ask them Nako kun pwede ba ma-stream sa YouTube kung Balita Future ka sa regional TV? Um, if I'm sure, if I'm sure, YouTube. I'm having dual live stream in Facebook and YouTube right now. And about uh, speaking of GMA regional TV live, I was on GMA just now. Oras 8 a.m. Oras 8. Buntag. Mm-mm. Yes. Tirada means unsay linggaw nimo karon. Linggaw. Now, what I am having fun now. I see. Nag-unsa nimo like that. Tirada means trip, 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 or linggaw. Unsay ling. Yeah. I'm just going out to a park. Yeah. Okay. Oh, and I was on GMA TV Live just now, and I was talking with Mr. Nico Sereno, the famous announcer. Mm. T- Trip means Unsai Ringa Nimo. Lots of comments. Thank you. Sorry, it goes quickly. Thank you. What are you up to? What what have you been up to? Mayo, and I'm having sunlight. Next. How is the dictionary app going? Yeah, I am currently developing. And after this live is until 9 o'clock in Philippine time. So in 15 minutes, and I will go back to programming after this live. And I hope I can publish soon. Yeah, and hopefully I can do close test this month. And morning for watching from General Santos City. Thank you, Salamat. Salamat. And I wasn't able to watch. Please post the record one. Sure. The official Facebook of GMA Regional TV Live will post the record one, and I will share on my Facebook page. So please follow my Facebook page. Okay. Kuya Yuki Asaka Karon Nakosa Osaka, and I'm at the park. From Seb Kuya Gambatte kudasai. Thank you. Thanks, Salaman. Ohayo Idol Yuki Peramide. Thank you. Ohayo. Ohayo Kuya Yuki Pashat out, please. Stays. Stays. Thank you. Thank you. Hello, Chris. Congrats, Kuya Yuki. Kaira. Thank you. Lancelotte. Yuki-san, can you recommend us some Japanese entertainment like idol groups maybe? Idol groups. Japanese idol groups. AKB group. Yuki-san 頑張って. Ah, Kayamoyan. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat, Daisa. Japanese idol group. I recommend you AKB, and they have many branches, and they have also a group in Manila. Their name is M MNL48. Their idol group. MNL. That means Manila. So they are organized people from the Philippines. Actually, they are Filipino group, but the manager and organization is from Japan. Hello, watching from Cagayan de Oro. Thank you. Regards Kosa Akon students Dihasa Osaka. Oh, Osaka. Nice. Kuya ko uy. Kuya ko uy. Hmm. Hello, Kuya. Congrats sa GMA Live. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mm. Please comment if we are from the TV show. Actually, please comment. Next. おめでとう. Thank you, salamat. Hello. Mm, be careful, sensei. I've heard some chainsaw around you. chainsaw, yeah, yeah. Chainsaw. ゆうきさんやっぱイケメンだ。サラマット。サラマット。Mm. Chainsaw, yeah, actually, there are chainsaw. Naamma got chainsaws. Yes, because they are clean, not not dangerous people there. Dirimato hiragana. Oh, hi kuya from Mandaue. Oh, thank you. I've been to Mandaue in Cebu City. Good morning, watching from Compostela, Cebu. Thank you, Salama-san. Hi, good morning, morning. Watching from Cebu. Who are from the TV show? Who are the new? Who are the new? Do you speak Kansai dialect or Tokyo dialect in your language? I speak both. But I'm from Osaka. I'm from Kansai area, so I basically speak Kansai dialect. So I teach you Kansai dialect. One of Kansai dialect. This. 柔らか. 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 This means soft. Humok. Humok. 柔らか. 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 Humok. And 柔らぎ. 柔らぎ. 柔らぎ means count down or the things that makes count. Uh, uh, Naaimaga daghan maga cute girls in AKB. Yes. But I think very beautiful. Not very beautiful, like friendly appearance. Yeah, like that. Good morning, Kuya Yuki. Devon. Thank you. Mm. Yawaraka. Dexter, yes. Yes, yes. Dogs. What dogs? Can you say Giatai si Venice? What was Giatai? I forgot. Giatai si Venice. Giatai si Venice. I forgot. What is Giatai? 関西、oh, lots of comments today. By the way, guys, I remembered. Um, if you watch the TV show, please hit the like button, please. Salamat. Don't forget to push the like button. Salamat, salamat sa imong suporta. Mm. Good morning. Asa na dapit? Uncle, why uncle? I'm still uncle. Why uncle? Dapit. Nako sa park sa Osaka. Yuki, gwapo kayo. Salamat. Salamat. Because my parents did very well. Did very well. How old are you, idol? Guess. Just guess. The trees are lit. Mm. Oh, this is nice nature here. Mm. Actually, nice nature. Nice nature. And people are having exercise around here. Ay. Say, giya ka lang hinapagmondako. What's that? What's that? Isn't it weird thing? Do not cheat me, please. I'm not sure. What does what does it mean? How have you been? Oh my Okaya. How is COVID in Osaka? Oh, you wonder hamburger cases na COVID sa Osaka. Pistinho. Yeah. Actually, the anchor in GMA, um, Mr. Sereno, uh, Mr. Nico Sereno, asked me, uh, unsay ganahan ka sa Cebuano word. So I was thinking I should say yawa or I shouldn't. I was wondering, what if I say that? I might be socially deleted. Hatak Gcash, sir. How can I get Gcash? I don't know. Teach me. Hatak Gcash. I want to. Super good vibes, Kuya Yuki. Thank you. Kuya Yuki, Hatak Gcash. Stop. Oh, they will censor you. Say, pisting yawa mombo ang animal mo yawa brief nimo why lapa. I can understand. Hey, stop it. Ayaw. Ayaw, katakuri. What's the name? Katakuri-san. Katakuri. Stop it. Pisting yawa ang kanimida ang korahaka. Korehaka. Pisti. Piskut. Yawon pisti. Korehaka. Just joking. Don't unfollow me. It says his brief isn't washed. Laba. Wala laba. Oh. What's Yuki? Unsa imo favorite anime? I like and basically Dragon Ball, Inuyasha, Pokemon. It's bad word in Bisaya. Pistinyawa. Yuki-san. Bad words. Yeah, words. That is. Yeah, words. Just not just but word. Oh, someone commented something. Good morning, Brian. We have noticed Kate. Good morning, Mary. You are so cute. Let me teach some Bisaya. Oh, by the way, I've got to go. It's 9 a.m. Oh, so I will go back for programming Cebuano Japanese dictionary app. So I hope I can publish the application to you guys to study Japanese using Cebuano or Bisaya language. Mm. And ooh, I will be careful for using bad words. Promise. I will promise. Thank you. Salamat sa imong pag-watch sa akong live stream. And don't forget follow me on Facebook page and don't follow the YouTube channel. Salamat. Bye bye. See you.